Carina Lindmeier. I'm an illustrator and designer from Austria, and this is Adobe Stock Artist Spotlight series. Even as a child, I knew for a fact I wanted to have a creative job later on in life. And my family always says I used to be the most peaceful child while I was drawing. And still, for a long time after university, I didn't really want to illustrate anything and didn't really believe in myself and my talents. Too many times I was confronted with the fact I wasn't good enough or didn't have the right style. So I worked as a project manager in an agency for a while and used my creative skills in the organizing part. But after a few years, I realized that I needed to explore my creativity again. So after about 10 years in which I hadn't drawn a single line, I started to fill my sketchbook again on a regular basis. I'm constantly inspired by everything that surrounds me. That can be absolutely anything. Definitely good music, good food, my friends and family, travel and nature, and I am inspired by diversity in everyday life. And so one thing led to another. My passion and fascination for bright colors came back. I shared my work on social media and got my first commissions. That's when I realized that I didn't want to continue working in the agency. I wanted to draw and inspire other people. And today I specialize in digital illustration with a contemporary figurative style, and my digital aesthetic features the use of textures, vibrant patterns, colors and slight imperfections. And I am passionate about female empowerment, lifestyle and nature. So my work often features women in their daily lives with uplifting messages around positivity, relationships, health and well-being. Sometimes it really feels like a dream to have turned my hobby into a career. I even believe that the contrasts of daily life have a very positive effect on my creativity. I get inspired by strong women and characters, and I want to inspire others to recognize their own strength and power and not let others stop them from being their most authentic selves. I like it when people stand up for their beliefs and want to move and also to change something. There are many artists who inspire me, and I like to visit exhibitions or look at beautiful books or magazines. I also love to simply observe beautiful flowers or plants and be inspired by their shapes, structures or colors. Especially nature in combination with cultures, fashion and lifestyle has a lot to offer for me. My collection on Adobe Stock contributes to representing empowered and diverse women in the media. I want this to become normal in our visual perception, and therefore I just draw what I want to see. Because women are bloody fierce. Thank you so much for watching my episode of the Adobe Stock Artist Spotlight series. Check out the rest of my collection on Adobe Stock, as well as other Artist Spotlight episodes on the Adobe Creative Cloud YouTube channel. Bye bye!